So I just got back and I thought to quickly unbox some things I got from a beauty store. So yeah, I didn't show you when I was buying it because it was just a lot of people. Yeah, so I got this Sheer Moisture, the Sheer Moisture shampoo. That's one item I got, and also got the Sheer Moisture conditioner as well. And then I got my favorite sunscreen by Bondi Sands. Yeah, and I got this cleansing balm for makeup because I have makeup on and I just want to try this cleansing balm. This is my first time getting it. Yeah, and the last thing I got was this elf lip oil that I want to try as well. This is my first time, so I'm going to try it. Hi guys, good morning. I just woke up and I'm trying to do like a certification course that requires like classes every morning, like for 3 days. So my first class is today, but I'm going to be doing it at home. Yeah, so I'm going to just go freshen up and all that stuff and then get ready for class. Tomorrow I'm thinking I will go out like to like a library or like something, maybe a cafe, to just sit through the class because it's a 9 to 5 with breaks in between. I'm not sure, but today is for day one, so I just want to sit at home and see what it looks like. Anyway, how you all doing? Hope you're good. I'm ready for the class. It's starting in about 30 or 20 minutes at 9. So yeah, fingers crossed I do great today and I just get through. But yeah, bye. So the first set of the class, like the first part of the class, is done, and we're on like lunch break. So I'm gonna go downstairs to get lunch, and I also got a package delivered from Royal Mail, so I'm gonna pick it up on my way upstairs when I grab my lunch. But yeah, I also still have to go to the gym later this evening. So pretty much, honestly, I feel very sleepy, so I'm just going to try and have my lunch and see if I can sleep a bit, and then I'll see you. I'm at the gym, guys, waiting for my session.